So now today we will learn about the what are the conditions, okay, for the hybridizations. Okay, what are the conditions for the hybridization? So very first condition, okay, for the formation of hybridization is the orbitals that belongs to the same atom can participate in hybridization. Okay, तो उसी के orbitals belong करेंगे. Okay, orbitals belonging to the same atoms. Okay, so orbitals कौन से orbitals belong करेंगे? उसी same atom के ही orbitals belong करेंगे किस में? During hybridization में. Okay, so this is very first condition for hybridization, that orbitals belonging to the same atom can participate. Okay, so these orbitals of these same atoms, they will participate. Okay, these will participate in formation of the hybridization. Okay, another is orbitals having nearly same energy can undergo hybridization. This is very important. Okay, orbitals. Okay, orbitals having nearly same energy, जिनकी जो energy है nearly same energy. Okay, this is very important. Yes, same energy. Orbitals which are having nearly same energy, they will only participate in hybridization. अगर energy near about same नहीं रहेगी, एक की बहुत ज़्यादा है एक की कम है, then such orbitals will not participate in hybridization. Okay, so yes, so this is the conditions for the hybridization. Yes. So conditions for the hybridization. So orbitals having nearly same energy can undergo hybridization. So 2s and 2 orbital under ये देखो 2s and 2p orbitals. 2s and 2p orbitals में क्या हो सकता है? हाइब्रिडाइजेशन हो सकता है. ओके, इजीली पॉसिबल है क्योंकि इनमें जो एनर्जी है वो नियर अबाउट यस 2s से थोड़ी सी ज्यादा 2p में एनर्जी ज्यादा है. ओके, हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इज पॉसिबल. But this 3s and 2p orbital, okay, 3s and 2p orbital, 3s and 2p orbitals, okay, these will not hybridize. Okay, these will do not hybridize. So this is important. So these are the two conditions for hybridization. Okay, क्या है basic condition? That orbitals will टेक पार्ट इन हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. उसी एटम के जो रहेंगे ऑर्बिटल्स वही टेक पार्ट करेंगे हाइब्रिडाइजेशन में. कैसे करते हैं वो देखेंगे हम लोग आगे. ओके, एंड फॉर हाइब्रिडाइजेशन इट शुड हैव अ सेम एनर्जी. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एनर्जी सेम होनी चाहिए तभी हाइब्रिडाइजेशन होता है. नाउ व्हाट आर दी डिफरेंट कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, ओके, फीचर्स ऑफ दी हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स. हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स के कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स क्या है वो देखेंगे हम लोग. ओके, व्हाट आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ दिस orbitals? Okay, hybridization orbitals, okay, that we will discuss. So characteristics features of hybrid orbitals. Okay, characteristics features of hybrid orbitals. Okay, hybrid orbital, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स ऑफ दी हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स. सो जो हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल है, ओके, उसके कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स. ओके, so in short we will write down. Okay, I will read. Number of hybrid orbitals formed is exactly the same as participating atomic orbital. Okay, so जो number of hybrid orbitals है, okay, कितने फॉर्म होंगे? Okay, number of जो orbitals है hybrid orbitals, okay, that जो फॉर्म होंगे, number of orbitals that will be formed. Okay, in short I will write down. Okay, formed is exactly the same as the participating atomic orbital. Okay, जो atomic orbitals उस atom के, okay, participating orbitals, okay, उतने ही hybrid orbitals रहेंगे. Okay, how it is that you will see. They have same energy and shape. Okay, अभी जो हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स है, दिस वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स। ओके, हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स में क्या रहेगा, एनर्जी जो रहेगी, ओके, एनर्जी एंड देयर शेप। ओके, एनर्जी और शेप क्या रहेगा हाइब्रिड और उसका, वो रहेगा सेम। ओके, ये ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने कल देख लिया है पॉइंट। ओके, third point is these hybrid orbitals are oriented in a space in such a way that there is a minimum repulsion. Okay, yesterday we have seen that there is a minimum repulsion. Okay, ये अपने आप these hybrid orbitals they will orient in such a way that there will be minimum repulsion. Okay, minimum repulsion रहेगा तभी bond form होता है, ये आप लोगों को पता है. Okay, and thus that are directional in, okay, they are directional in nature. Okay, direction रहता है उनको. Okay, that we'll see. So we are having a direction. Okay, these are features we are talking about. More clear, these features, all these features will be more clear when we will see the example. The hybrid orbitals are different in shape. Okay, these are different in shape from the participating atomic orbitals, but they bear the characteristics of atomic orbitals, okay, from which they are derived. So this is about the hybrid orbitals. Okay, अभी जो hybrid orbitals उस atom के लिए, okay, जो बन रहे हैं, they bear the characteristics of atomic orbital. Okay, तो जो characteristics, जो nature जो रहेगा, okay, characteristics जो रहेगा, the characteristics, okay, characteristics of the hybrid orbitals will be same as that of the participating atomic orbital. Okay, participating atomic orbitals, कौन से atomic orbitals participate कर रहे हैं, okay, atomic orbitals उसी का सेम नेचर रहेगा, क्योंकि हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स कहीं अलग से नहीं आ रहे. हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स हम लोगों ने जैसे कल देखा एक्साइटेड ऑर्बिटल्स. ओके, एक्साइटेड इलेक्ट्रॉन कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. तो हाउ दैट वन इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट जंप फ्रॉम लोअर एनर्जी लेवल टू हायर एनर्जी लेवल. ओके, सो द उसका जो नेचर रहेगा हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स का कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स नेचर, ओके, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स, it will be similar. Okay, characteristics will be similar as that of the participating atomic orbitals. Okay, so each hybrid orbitals can hold two electrons with opposite spin. So this we know that each hybrid orbital can hold, okay, these hybrid orbitals, these can hold, okay, एक ऑर्बिटल्स मैक्सिमम 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स रहते हैं. ओके, दिस वी नो वेरी वेल. और उनमें क्या रहता है, अपोजिट स्पिन रहता है. ओके, दिस आल्सो वी नो, there must be opposite spin, okay, will be present in hybrid orbitals also. The next one, okay, the sixth one feature is the hybrid orbital has a two lobe. Okay, this is very important. It is having a two lobes. Okay, it is having a two lobes. Okay, on the two sides of the nucleus. Okay, one lobe is large and other is small. This is very important. अभी दो लोब रहते हैं. Okay, it is having a two lobes, out of which one is larger size. एक larger size का रहेगा, एक छोटे size का रहेगा. Okay, so one lobe is larger. Okay, one lobe is of the larger size, और जो दूसरा रहेगा, okay, other one, okay, will be of a smaller size. Okay, other one will be of the smaller size. And the last characteristics features of the hybrid orbitals is the covalent bond formed by the hybrid orbitals are stronger. Okay, तो जो covalent bond जो form होता है, okay, covalent bond, this we are talking about hybrid orbitals. That's why I'm not using word, okay, all times hybrid orbitals. मैं यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है मैंने. Okay, this you have to understand. All these features are for the hybrid orbitals. Okay, so the hybrid orbitals में जो covalent bond form होते हैं, that are stronger. That are what? Stronger. normal जो orbitals में जो bond बनते हैं, okay, उससे ज्यादा hybrid orbitals में जो covalent bond form होगा, that will be a stronger than those by a pure orbitals, because the hybrid orbital has electron density concentrated. Okay, तो उसका reason भी देखो, उसका reason भी है हमारे पास. Okay, why that this covalent bond, okay, which is made by hybrid orbital, why it is stronger, too stronger रहेगी. Okay, so the reason being electron density concentration. Okay, क्या reason है इसका? Electron density concentration. Okay, electron density concentration. This is the factor which is responsible that the hybrid orbitals में covalent bond जो form होता है वो stronger रहता है. किस लिए रहता है? क्योंकि इलेक्ट्रॉन जो density concentration जो होता है, okay, on the side with the larger lobe, okay, larger side, okay, दो लोब फॉर्म करता है, एक ये छोटा और एक ये बड़ा और एक छोटा, सपोज. ओके, इन दिस वे दिस इज अ लार्जर साइज लोब एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉलर साइज लोब. ओके, यहाँ पे मैं लिख लेता हूँ. ओके, दिस इज अनदर लोब सपोज. ओके, विच इज ऑफ द स्मॉलर साइज. ओके, आप देख सकते हो वन स्मॉलर लोब एंड वन इज द लार्जर लोब. चाहे तो निगेटिव साइन दे देता हूं मैं आपको, सो दैट यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. निगेटिव मीन स्मॉलर साइज एंड पॉजिटिव मीन्स larger size. Okay, larger size lobe, because these hybrid orbitals will form the two lobes. Six characteristic feature we have written already. It will form two lobes, out of which one lobe is of larger size and the other one is of the smaller size. Okay, so in this way these are the features of hybrid orbitals. Okay, so because the hybrid orbitals has electron density concentrated on one on the side with larger lobe and other is small, allowing greater overlap of the orbital. Okay, अभी देखो ये जो दूसरा है, दूसरा लोब वो क्या है, स्मॉल है. अभी अभी क्या हो सकता है, ओवरलैपिंग पॉसिबल इजीली. ये किसके साथ ओवरलैप कर सकता है, दूसरे किसी इस ऑर्बिटल्स के साथ ये क्या कर सकता है, ओवरलैप कर सकता है. एंड दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट एवर द कोवैलेंट बॉन्ड विल बी फॉर्म ड्यू टू दिस हाइब्रिड ऑर्बिटल्स, it will be the stronger. Okay, due to electron density concentration, because this will form two lobes. Okay, दो लोब फॉर्म करता है ये, उसमें से एक छोटा रहता है, उसमें से एक बड़ा रहता है. जो छोटा है वो क्या करेगा, दूसरे के साथ ऑर्बिटल्स फॉर्म करेगा. Okay, so so we were talking about all these are the characteristic features of the orbitals, that the number of the orbitals that will be formed, that will be depends on the participating orbitals. Okay, energy and the shape of the orbitals will be same. Okay, minimum repulsion will be there. Okay, and the characteristics nature shown by the hybrid orbitals will be same as that of the participating orbitals. जो participate हो रहे orbitals, okay, yes है orbital, p orbital, कौन सा orbital है, okay, उसके हिसाब से that will show the nature. Okay, so it will show the characteristics nature of the participating orbital, and it can hold two electrons. Okay, with opposite spin. Okay, it can hold maximum two electrons. Okay, and two lobes. Okay, two lobes, there will be two lobes. One lobe will be of larger size and the another lobe will be of the smaller size. And the last point is about the formation of the covalent bond which will take place by these hybrid orbitals will be of the stronger, means stronger covalent bond will be formed. The reason being this electron density concentration. So if you will see the electron density concentration, okay, electron density concentration. So this is the electron density concentration, or this is the formation of lobe. One is positive, which is showing a larger size. Okay, this lobe is showing larger size. Another lobe, which is of smaller size. Okay, so what will happen due to this smaller size? Okay, due to this formation of smaller size lobe, small this will allow a greater overlap of the orbital. तो ये क्या कर सकता है, ये overlapping कर सकता है, because what we want is overlapping of the orbitals. Okay, overlapping of the orbitals is possible due to this small one side smaller size of the lobe. Okay, so the extent of overlapping will increase due to this such kind of the formation of the lobe. So this is about the features of the hybrid orbitals. All these are the features of the hybrid orbitals. Now we have to see what are the types of hybridization and their geometry of the molecules. Okay, geometry of the molecules as well as the type of the hybridization. Okay, what are the different types of hybridization that we will see. Okay, so what are the different types of hybridization that we will see. Yes. So, types of hybridization. What are the different types of hybridization? We have, yes, talk about all conditions, considerations. Okay, what are the features? Now we'll see what are the types of hybridization. Okay, I will see its geometry of the molecules. So different types of hybrid orbitals are obtained from the atomic orbitals. Okay, because we get hybrid orbitals. Okay, we get hybrid orbital, we get hybrid orbitals. Okay, कहाँ से मिलता है हमें? We get hybrid orbitals from atomic orbitals. Whatever the atomic orbitals, we write it excited state. Okay, so from atomic orbitals, okay, from atomic orbitals we get hybrid orbitals. Okay, so it will have similar nature, similar characteristics as that of the atomic orbitals. Okay, so the different types of hybrid orbitals are obtained from atomic orbitals that participate in hybridization. Okay. So S and P orbitals can hybridize. Okay. So S and P orbitals, S orbital and P orbitals, okay, can hybridize to form the different orbitals. Okay, different hybrid orbitals. What are the different hybridization or different hybrid orbitals? Okay, so that hybrid orbitals. Very first one is the sp3, sp3 hybridization. Okay, second one is sp2 hybridization, and the third one is being hybridization. Okay, so these are the types. sp3, okay, what is the meaning of sp3? It will have s orbital, it will have px, it will have py, and it will have pz. All these three p orbitals and this one orbitals. In this way, total 4 orbitals will be there. How many? Total 4 orbitals will be there. In case of sp2, one s suppose will be there, one px and py will be there. There will be no pz orbitals. In this way, yes, one s orbital and total 2 p orbitals. In this way, there will be 3 orbitals that will take part in sp2 hybrid orbitals. And in case of sp orbitals, one s orbital will be there, and suppose one px orbital. So one orbital s orbital and one px uh, p orbital. Okay, so in this way, total 2 orbitals will be there in case of sp orbitals. Total 3 orbitals will be there in case of sp2 orbitals. And in case of sp3 orbitals, there will be total 4 orbitals that will take part in the hybridization. Okay, so now one by one we will have to understand what is the meaning of hybridization. So we'll see first sp3 hybridization. What is the meaning of sp3 hybridization? We'll see. Okay, so very first hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Okay, so what is that sp3 hybridization? That we will see, that we will discuss. Okay, so very first hybridization is sp3 hybridization. Okay, sp3 hybridization. So as the name is given, sp3 hybridization, be you must understand what is the meaning of this sp3 hybridization. So sp3 hybridization, okay, in this one s and 3p orbitals having comparable energy mix and recast. Okay, so in this way s orbital रहेगा एक, दूसरा p orbital का px रहेगा, okay, दूसरा py रहेगा और pz रहेगा. In this way these 4 orbitals, okay, one s and 3 p orbitals will take part, okay, in this sp3 hybridization. Means how many total orbitals are present? So 1, 2, 3 and 4 orbitals are present. Okay, sp3 hybridization, total 4 orbitals will take part. Okay, so it should be remembered that s orbital is a spherically symmetrical. Okay, s orbital का shape कैसे होता है? Spherically symmetrical. We have already, okay, studied this. Okay, spherically क्या होता है? Symmetrical होता है. Spherically symmetrical. Okay, symmetrical in case of s orbital. But when we consider px, py and pz orbitals have lobes. Okay, ये जो है px, py and pz, these are having lobes. Okay, we have already seen. Okay, these will have a lobes. Okay, px है तो x डायरेक्शन में लोब रहेगा, py है तो y डायरेक्शन में लोब फॉर्म करेगा, z है तो z डायरेक्शन में लोब फॉर्म करेगा. Okay, means it will form a lobe and this will be spherically symmetrical. Yes orbital. Okay, we have already seen this s and p orbital. Okay, so px, py, pz orbitals have lobes and are directional along x, y and z axis respectively. So four sp3 hybrid orbitals formed are equivalent in energy. तो ये देखो 1 2 3 4 these, okay, four orbitals, whatever it will be formed, जो formed होंगे after hybridization, okay, they will have the equivalent in energy. So this is the reason being the bond length, okay, bond angle क्या रहता है, same रहता है. Okay, they will have equivalent energy. So this is very important. After formation of this four hybridized orbital, okay, so these orbitals will have equivalent energy and they will have equivalent shape. Shape जो रहेगा उसका वो क्या रहेगा, same रहेगा. They have one large lobe and one small lobe. So okay, these are the characteristics. Okay, so one large lobe, okay, already we have written this. Okay, one large lobe रहेगा उसमें. Okay, and one smaller lobe and one small lobe and one smaller small lobe. Okay, we have already discussed this in its features. Okay, and very important is they are at an angle of, okay, they are these orbitals, okay, they are at an angle of, at an, जो एंगल जो रहेगा उसके बीच में, ओके, एट एन एंगल ऑफ, ओके, 109.5 डिग्रीज का एंगल रहेगा. कितना एंगल रहेगा, 109.5 डिग्रीज का एंगल रहेगा, सिमिलर एंगल रहेगा in case of sp3. Right now we are talking about sp3 hybridization. Okay, so 109.5 degrees angle with each other in space. Okay, with each other, with each other in a space, with each other in a space. So this much will be the angle that will be formed, 109.5. So these are the features of sp3 hybridization. What is that? It will have equivalent energy and the shape. Okay, one large lobe, definitely there will be one larger lobe and one smaller lobe will be formed, and the angle will be 109.5 degrees with each other in a space. Okay, so, and point towards the corner of the tetrahedron. Okay, point towards the corner of the tetrahedron. Examples. Okay, examples iske hai. CH4 is the example. We are going to see CH4 example. Okay, NH3 and H2O. These are the example of sp3 hybridization. Okay, so the, if we draw the diagram here, okay, if we draw the diagram here, okay, yes orbital, we know that yes orbital, okay, suppose we will draw here right now. Yes orbital is a spherically symmetrical. Yes orbital is spherically symmetrical. Spherical hota hai to ye dekho, yes orbital is a spherical. Okay, spherically symmetrical. Consider this is y axis and this is z axis. Okay, x axis is towards us. Okay, जो हम लोग अभी इसको देख रहे हैं. Okay, इस डायग्राम को सपोज तो x एक्सिस इज टुवर्ड्स अस, हमारी तरफ आ रहा है x एक्सिस. ओके, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव नॉट शोन हियर. ओके, सो दिस विल कंबाइन विथ यस px. ओके, हाउ विल ड्रॉ px ऑर्बिटल. यहाँ पे कैसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं px ऑर्बिटल. यहाँ पे देखो, दिस इज y एक्सिस, ओके, एंड दिस इज z एक्सिस. x एक्सिस इज टुवर्ड्स यू. ओके, सो इन दिस वे ये निकाला मैंने यहाँ पे. ओके, और उसके बाद में ये थोड़ा सा इसके साइड वाला. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज एक्स एक्सिस, तो थोड़ा सा शो करता हूं मैं डायग्राम से आपको ऐसे, सो दैट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड इट. ओके, लाइक दिस. Okay, so this is what s orbital, this is px orbital. Okay, because this is x directional, it is facing towards you. So हमें पता है कि p जो ऑर्बिटल है ये क्या करता है, लोब फॉर्म करता है, एंड इट हैज फॉर्म अ लोब. दो लोब फॉर्म किया है, देखो x डायरेक्शन में, पॉजिटिव x डायरेक्शन में और बैक साइड वाला सपोज निगेटिव x डायरेक्शन में. ओके, सो दिस इज प्लस साइन, इन बिटवीन दिस प्लस साइन. ओके, Next one is suppose ये देखो suppose this is 2s orbital suppose. Okay, this is suppose 2px orbital. Okay, next we will draw 2py orbital. 2py orbital draw करेंगे. चलो this is y axis and this is z axis. 2py orbital हम लोग ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं. This is the lobe and this is the another lobe. Okay, this is the another lobe. So I will draw this like so to distinguish between two different lobes. Okay, this is the another lobe. Okay, so in this way, one is at positive y side and another one is a negative y side. Okay, this is 2py and another one is last one is a 2pz orbital. 2pz orbital. So in this way, this is z axis and this is y axis. So here it will have one lobe and here it will have the another lobe. So positive side, positive lobe will be shown like this suppose. Okay. So in this way, this is called as the sp3 hybridization. This is called as the sp3 hybridization. Okay, one 2s orbital. Okay, one 2px, one 2py, and 2pz. In this way, this 3 plus 1, total 4 orbitals that will take part in a sp3 hybridization. Okay, उसका नाम sp3 hybridization क्यों दिया? क्योंकि इसमें s का 1 ऑर्बिटल है और p के 3 ऑर्बिटल से px, py, pz. In this way, these 3 orbitals will take part in sp3 hybridization and one s orbital will take part. So we know the shape of the s orbital is having spherically symmetrical. आप देख सकते हो इसको spherically symmetrical है ये वाला completely. Okay, which will add combine with this 2px plus 2py and 2pz, and in this way it will form 4 orbitals. Okay, so this is the formation of sp3 hybrid orbital. Now we have to understand the formation of methane molecule. Okay, formation of methane molecule. So we have seen here right now we have written here CH4. Okay, this is the example of sp3 hybridization. How it is forming sp3 hybridization that we have to see with the help of example. Okay, CH4 example, methane example एक लेते हैं हम लोग ये वाला CH4 and there we will draw sp3 hybridization in case of this methane. Yes. So sp3 hybridization. sp3 hybridization. So formation of methane molecule. We'll see the formation of CH4 molecule. Okay, CH4 molecule, because this CH4 molecule will exhibit the sp3 hybridization. So if we see the carbon is a central atom here. Okay, CH4 में carbon क्या है? Central atom है, which will have 4 hydrogen atom bonded. Okay, this general idea you know right now. Okay, कैसे होता है, क्या होता है? Because due to valency you know very well. Okay, so carbon atom. So ground state electronic configuration of a carbon. Okay, suppose if we'll draw the ground state electronic configuration, I'm going to write down in short EC, electronic configuration. Okay, so electronic configuration of a carbon, but that is in a ground state. Okay, first we will draw it in a ground state. So we know that carbon, yes, 6 atomic number. Okay, so yes, it is having ground state mein. Okay, ground state mein. So this is 1s orbital. Okay, 1s orbital, it is 1s2. Okay, so then 2s2 in ground state. Okay, like this. Okay, this is 2s orbital and there will be the, in this way there will be a this 2p orbital. Okay, here it will be 1 and there will be 1. Okay, so in this way this is 2s orbital, this is 2px. Okay, this is 2py and this is 2pz. आप देख सकते हो 2px में 1 है. ओके, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. 2py में 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन है और 2pz में यहाँ पे 0 इलेक्ट्रॉन है. राइट नाउ इट इज प्रेजेंट. Okay, in case of ground state of electronic configuration of the carbon. Now in excited state. Okay, in case of excited state. Okay, in case of excited state, suppose if we draw excited state, in case of excited state, in case of excited, what will happen in case of excited state? One of the electron from 2s orbital will jump into the next energy level, that is into the next 2p orbital, and in this way, in case of excited state, the orbital will be like this. Okay, this is 1s orbital. Okay, this is the yes, in 2s orbital, one of the electron will jump into 2p orbital, and in which orbital it will jump into. Right now this one is a vacant 2pz, and it will jump into 2pz orbital, okay, occupying the position, vacant position. Okay, so in this way, like this, one, one, and in this one. Okay, this is a 2p orbital, this is 2p orbital. In this way, 2px1, 2py1, and 2pz1. Okay, each orbital is occupying one electron in this. Okay, so in this way, this is the excited state. Okay, now what is sp3 hybrid orbital? Sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, now what is sp3 hybrid orbitals? What is hybrid orbitals? There is a mixing of the orbitals. Now which orbital will take part in this sp3 hybridization? So look at here, this is 2s orbital, this is 2px1, 2py1, and 2pz1. In this way, these will take part in formation of hybridization. sp3 hybridization आप देख सकते हो, sp3 hybridization, 1s orbital and 3p orbital. Okay, अभी ये जो when these four orbitals will take part in hybridization, what will happen? They will get mixed. Okay, how to mix it? So in this way they will form. Okay, ये देखो, ये 1s, it will be remain as it is. Okay, 1s will remain as it is, and now this will get merged, and after getting merged, okay, थोड़ा सा नीचे निकालता हूँ उसको. So this is 1s orbital. Okay, this is 1s orbital, and now what will happen? This s and p3. In this way, these four orbitals will get merged. Okay, and these four orbitals will get merged. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what are the different orbitals that are getting merged? एक 2s orbital है, दूसरा 2px का orbital है, next 2py orbital है, and last one is 2pz orbital. In this way, these four orbitals are merged, and this is called as the sp3 hybrid orbitals. sp3 hybrid orbitals. That's why it is called as a sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, so one electron from this 2s orbital, okay, will jump into this 2pz orbital, and this will get merge हो जाएंगे, mix हो जाएंगे, and after mixing they will the four orbitals 2s, okay, 2px, 2py, 2pz mix and recast to form four new sp3 hybrid orbitals having the same shape and equal energy. तो आप देख सकते हो, if you will observe this, okay, if you will observe this, this will have a same energy, this will have a same energy, and this will have a same energy and same shape, this will have a same shape. These orbitals will have the same shape because these are the hybrid orbitals, sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, so they are they are maximum apart and have tetrahedral geometry. Okay, if we talk about their geometry, okay, if we talk about the geometry of this sp3 hybridization, so it will have tetrahedral. Okay, how it is a tetrahedral, that we'll see. Okay, it will have a tetra means four side, four equal sides. Okay, tetrahedron form karta hai ye, how it is forming tetrahedron, that we'll see. टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री, each hybrid orbitals contain one unpaired electron. आप देख सकते हो, each hybrid orbital 1 2 3 4 are having one unpaired electron. देखो आप, 1 2 3 4 unpaired electrons are present in it. So each of these sp3 hybrid orbitals with one electron overlap axially with 1s orbital of the hydrogen. Okay, so this right now, this we are talking about the formation of CH4 molecule. Okay, and right now we have discussed about the carbon ka excited state. In this way, this is the excited state of the carbon, and in this way, this will form sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay. Now what will happen? Four hydrogen atoms are present. Okay, how many? CH4. CH4 में कितने हाइड्रोजन एटम्स है? टोटल 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. तो देखो हाइड्रोजन एटम में ऑर्बिटल कौन सा है? 1s ऑर्बिटल है. 1s ऑर्बिटल मींस व्हाट? दिस इज one half filled orbital in hydrogen atom. Okay, now such four orbitals will get merged with this and will form a covalent bond, and in this way the molecule will be formed. CH4 molecules will be formed. So each of these sp3 hybrid orbitals with one electron overlap axially, and overlapping, how this overlapping will take place? These overlapping that will take place, we know that axially overlapping. Okay, कैसे होती है ये वाली overlapping? Axially overlapping with this 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. 1s orbital of the hydrogen atom. Okay, टू फॉर्म सी एच. कौन सा बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा? कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा, बराबर ना. कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन के बीच में बॉन्ड फॉर्म होगा. ओके, सो इन दिस वे which bond? Sigma bond or pi bond? It will form a sigma bond. It will form a sigma bond. sp3 hybridization, sp3 hybridization will form a bond. ओके, देखो यस यस के साथ बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा. ओके, पी यस के साथ बॉन्ड फॉर्म करेगा, एंड वी नो दैट यस ऑर्बिटल एंड पी ऑर्बिटल, यस ऑर्बिटल, यस ऑर्बिटल एंड पी ऑर्बिटल, एंड पी ऑर्बिटल, if they are forming the overlapping, if it is done that is actually internuclear, then that is called as a formation of a sigma bond. We have already studied this. So this formation of sigma bond will be there. 4 sigma bond will be formed. How many? 4 sigma bond will be formed between carbon and the hydrogen, okay, atoms. So in this way, the sp3 and s overlap will be there. Okay, so what we will call this as a yes, carbon में sp3 hybridization है और hydrogen में s orbital है. Okay, so in this way it will form sp3 and s overlapping. So this overlapping will be called as such. This overlapping will be called as sp3 and s orbital overlapping. Okay. So now we will draw the diagram by which we can easily understand. Okay, sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, in case of CH4 molecules. Okay, in case of CH4 molecule. So what we have said, in case of carbon it is forming sp3 hybrid orbitals, and in case of hydrogen it is forming s orbital. Okay, there is only one s orbital is present in case of hydrogen atom. Okay, so in this way we can show here like this. Consider suppose this is y axis and this is z axis. Okay, so s orbital. Okay, this is s orbital. S orbital is spherical, so 1s. So 1s orbital. This is 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Okay, hydrogen atom का 1s orbital है ये वाला. Okay, so it will get merged. It will get merged with the sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, so we have not drawn there. Okay, sp3 hybrid orbitals. So this sp3 hybrid orbitals will be like this. Okay, so I will right now draw. So sp3 hybrid orbitals. So as it is forming two lobes, we have already discussed about this, that there will be two lobes. One will be of larger size. Okay, so consider this. ये देखो sp3 hybrid orbitals. One is of the larger size, another one is of the smaller size. One is of the larger size, another one is of the smaller size. One is of the larger size, another one is of the smaller size. sp3 hybrid orbitals. Okay, तो ये देखो ये है like this. Okay, so this is what sp3 hybrid orbitals. So if you join this, okay, if you join this, and if you join this, okay, so what it has formed, what structure it has formed? Yes, what is the geometry it has formed? It has formed the tetrahedral geometry. आप देख सकते हो, ये देखो, this is one surface, Okay, this is one surface, this is another surface. Okay, and this is back side surface, आप देख सकते हो उसके back side surface में, and this is lower most surface. So tetra, 4 surfaces it will have. Okay, so in this way it will form the tetrahedral geometry. Okay, tetrahedral geometry it will form, and this tetrahedral geometry, okay, it will get merge and hybrid. Okay, how to show this such hybrid together? So such hybrid which is shown together like this. Okay, this one is the lobe, this one is the smaller lobe, because this will get merged completely. ये हो जाएगा merge ऐसे, and this will get merged, and in this way it will get merged completely. So all these 1 2 3 4 small lobes will get merged into it, and it will look like this. Okay, hybrid orbitals. Okay, this will look like this, hybrid orbitals. Okay, which is forming the tetrahedral geometry. Okay, so hybrid shows this is what the hybrid. Okay, sp3 hybrid, that is shown together, that is, this is shown together, this is shown together. Okay, we can say this is the sp3 hybrid, that is the shown together. Okay, so in this way it will form. Okay, अभी देखो यहाँ पे, so this s orbital of the hydrogen atom, and this is sp3 hybrid orbitals of what? Carbon atom. And in this way it will form this one carbon atom. Okay, carbon atom रहेगा, ये ऊपर में ऐसे हाइड्रोजन रहेगा. Okay, in this way it will be one hydrogen atom, this way it will be one hydrogen atom, and in this way it will be one hydrogen atom. And if you will see this bond angle, the angle will be 109.5 degrees. The angle is 109.5 degrees. Okay, the bond angle between every CH bond. Okay, आप देख सकते हो CH4, it has formed which molecule? It has formed a CH4 molecule. Okay, through the sp3 hybridization, and 1 2 3 4 4 CH bond. How many bond? 4 CH bond. They will be of equal energy, they will be of same energy, they will be of same shape, bond length will be same, bond angle will be same. Okay, so that is the reason yesterday क्योंकि हम लोगों ने कल बोला. Okay, why the bond angle is same? Okay, so this is due to the hybridization, this is due to the hybridization. Okay, due to this hybridization they possess the same energy and they possess the same shape. Okay, and they possess the same angle. In case of sp3 hybridization, the angle is 109.5 degrees between all bond angle, all the covalent bonds जो form हो रहा है between that central atom and the other atoms, the bond angle is 109.5 degrees. So this is about the sp3 hybridization. This is about the sp3 hybridization, in which one s orbital and total 3 p orbital that will take part. Okay, in a formation of sp3 hybrid orbitals, means there will be total 4 orbitals, one s orbital will be there and 3 p orbitals will be there, and it will form such hybridization. And due to this hybridization only, they will have same bond angle, bond strength भी same रहता है, bond length भी same रहता है, bond की जो energy है that is also of same energy. So with this we'll conclude today's lecture, okay, about sp3 hybridization. Tomorrow we'll see what is sp2 hybridization, what is, okay, sp hybridization.